Yo guys, what's up? NateVlog here, and we are in OC, which is Orange County. Not really sure where we are in Orange County, but yeah, I saw this on Instagram. Shout out to Nerds for sending it to me. Crazy car show, Monterey Car Week, but can't be over there up north, so we got to come down south. So yeah, let's check this out. Mr. J's here. Here we go. Where's he at? Oh, he's got his cane. There he is.
Put on your hat. Okay, I don't want you getting a headache, okay?
I'm gonna be fine. Just come on. I'm gonna be okay.
Okay, I don't want to hear it tonight.
All right, come on.
I mean it.
Let's go. Complaining. It starts at 1, and we got here an hour early to get some parking because it's supposed to be really big.
It's already started.
We'll see. Classic Ferrari. I actually think I've been here. I think this is where the Ghost Squadron is. Oh, I've seen this in Beverly Hills.
Oh yeah.
I see it. Ford GT. Wow, look at that.
I could do that. Wow.
Check this out. Yeah. Wait. A12 super fast. Here's another one.
Oh, look at that.
That Bugatti. Wow. The ultimate car is right here. Look at that thing. All carbon fiber. Wow. What a car. The best of the best. We can go now. This is it.
No.
No, we still have time. We gotta wait. But I mean, look at this though. Do you see the mirrors? They look like leaves. You see that? Look at that. It's like there are leaves coming out. Unbelievable. Look at that, huh? What do you think? Which one would you rather have, the Lambo or this one? I don't know, too.
So ignite, go off.
It's all carbon fiber.
Damn, look at that, man.
It's like a spaceship, huh?
It is a spaceship. You could go to Mars.
You see the leaves? They look like leaves. So we're at the mall right now waiting for the attraction to open. So check out this. Hey, look. A Lambo STO. Look at that. This is some mall. All right, so I'm having massive. Yeah. We're gonna come to the mall after. We were just taking a little look. You need a drink, and I think it's 1 now. So, anyways, we're having massive troubles with my camera right now. After the beach yesterday, I got it wet, and the red button to push record, it's barely working. Like you got to push down so hard to get it going and to stop it. So let's see. Can I stop it now, or do I really want to stop it, or should I just keep it rolling the whole time? I miss so many cars. They're all coming in. And I'm like, no, I'm missing it. But I think I got some on my phone. I was like, oh, well, gonna have to switch the phone. You remember how to get back? Isn't it this way? It's this way. All right, let's see if I stop it. Uh-oh, yep. See, it's not stopping. You have to push down. No. All right, I guess nope. Oh my gosh. Since this thing's not working.
Yeah,
But anyways, here we go. Koenigseggs, which are eggs. Look at that. Blue carbon. Look at this thing. Wow. Look at this. One of my favorite cars of all time, the F40. Look at that. Check it out, the LaFerrari. Oh yeah, look at those doors opening up. Oh yeah. Look at this Pagani. Oh my gosh, unbelievable. This has got to be top of the line right here. Look at that. Does it have it? Yeah, it has it. This is the keyhole. Yeah, that's the keyhole. you don't like that, huh?
What the heck's on there?
Oh, look at that! Look at that! Oh my god! This is the ultimate car right here. No, this one. I don't even know what this is. Wow. Look at this. Oh my gosh, unbelievable. There's the trunk right there. That's all you get. What is that?
What's up, man?
You got it?
Here's another Porsche that's acceptable. Look at that. That's what this is right here.
Nathan, do you get that?
Yeah, I'm filming carbon fiber.
Flying vertical takeoff and landing vehicles. So it's essentially an electric drone. You can fly up to 1,500 feet.
Wow.
65 miles per hour. The battery will last you 20 minutes. It's easy to
I'd be up there
replace.
20 minutes and boom, I'm dead. I would die in this in one day.
It's classified as an ultralight aircraft, which means that you can take a course with us, but you don't need a pilot's license to fly it.
You don't?
No. And
Can you imagine cruising around with that's the gun on that?
the magic is in the software, which helps you to basically take off and land, and also if you let go of the controls, it will basically self-hover or like a hummingbird in the sky. So it really helps you to fly. So we try to make it as safe and easy for you to fly as possible.
Yeah, it seems like a nuts. How much is one of these?
So it's $98,000, $8,000 down deposit. You get your serial number, and we're manufacturing actually here. This is our place in Italy. So it's made in Tuscany in the sports car land there. So you will get delivery and probably end of next year.
All right, so out of all these, what do you think's the best? What do you think? We gotta switch to the phone. This is terrible, but you know we gotta do what we gotta do.
Close call is that one. And that guy that makes them in
Mr. Clean.
Mr. Clean.
So you like the egg and the Mr. Clean car? Yeah, Mr. Clean.
Coming in first for me right now.
All right, so now we got to go to the other side. Let's go. Yeah. Oh man, this is some car show. More Koenigseggs. Yeah. Pagani. You like this Mustang?
They're sitting there in the garage, next to us,
Yeah.
not doing anything.
You like that Mustang, huh?
Yeah. There's one just waiting for me.
Tenentario. I don't even know, this is a rare one. So this one right here, there's only 40 made, worth 2.3 million. Look at that blue, carbon fiber. That's not your normal Lambo, right? Orange wheels.
It goes well with the watch.
Thank you.
Oh, there's two of them.
Live in the white.
Look at this McLaren right here. It needs paint job. This is the primer, right? This is the primer. Wow, look at this. That's a huge wing. Stickers on a Lambo? Whoa, 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 don't hit me, don't hit me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, wait, I think the camera's working.
Is it really?
I think so. I pushed it. I guess it just needs to like rest. So this is your favorite one, huh?
This is my
Switching back to the camera here.
These? Yeah, okay.
Wow, that's... yeah. Let's try it. Oh wow, it is working. What is going on here? I'm so confused. Like, is this thing going to work or not? But I got so much footage on my phone.
So it's working now?
I think so. I think it needed to
let's
rest.
Go, let's take that little robot.
I know, I got it on my phone. I got I got everything on my phone. It's probably everything? Better quality anyways, but still, I mean, come on. You gotta look professional here. Alright?
Well, I guess that's
NateVlog all the way.
Let's park over here. I want to walk through the mall.
What do you think? Hold on. Let's talk about this. Hold on. This is probably
really
the best car show here in Orange County.
This is one of them.
And it's not a classic car show, okay? So,
no, except for that guy.
So, what about the Mustang in there, though?
Oh, and the Mustang.
Yeah.
But otherwise,
yeah, if you get all this,
$1 billion.
Yeah, there's literally probably $1 billion.
Making me sick.
But yeah, rich of the rich. I'm telling you, top of the line. So Ruby vibes all the way. Best of the best content out here. Even though this thing's not working, but still trying, right? Still trying. See, can I get this footage on the camera? Yes, I can. Wow, okay. We're back in here. Look at that. All these cars, huh? Finally got it going on the camera. Let's look at this thing again. There's Mr. Clean. There's Mr. Clean right there. Mr. Clean's car. Yep. This one they're taking off. Look at this R8. Trying to figure out where to park. So there we go. I was so worried about the camera not working, the button. I was like, oh my gosh, guess we're gonna have to get a new one.
No more in the ocean.
But no, we're good, we're good. I just had to relax, calm down, switch the phone. Look at this one. Ending it off with this, right? Zenvo? Huh. Yeah, I have no idea. that's
Nathan.
yeah. I know. I'll extend. So there we go. What do you think? Good, right? Huh? That was a great car show. Big ups all the way, and yeah, creepy vibes.
This topped them all.
Orange County.
Orange County.
Different here. Yeah, very, yeah, very
Wow,
different.
Look at this. Look at this one.
Yeah, this is the best one here, huh?
Yep.
There we go. All right. Anyways, hit up my PayPal down below. Providing the best of best content, and I sure hope the camera continues to work, because I was having honestly a heart attack back there. I was like, oh my gosh, do we really have to buy a new one? Yeah, no. All right, we'll see ya. Bye bye. NateVlog out.